Number 3. Dolphin Escape Robotic Above Ground Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Escape Robotic Above Ground Pool Cleaner is the must-have electric pool vacuum for anyone looking to keep their pool sparkling clean effortlessly. Its hypergrip continuous tracks ensure top-notch traction and maneuverability underwater, making cleaning a breeze. The lift-off top filter allows for easy access without the hassle of dealing with bags, saving you time and frustration. Active scrubbing, smart navigation, and a 4,000-gallon per hour suction rating set this model apart from the competition, ensuring a thorough clean every time. With a weight of no more than 14 pounds, this pool cleaner is lightweight and easy to handle, making it a convenient option for pool owners of all ages. What truly sets the Dolphin Escape apart is its combination of features and performance at an affordable price point. Its efficiency and effectiveness make it a standout choice for those seeking a reliable and user-friendly pool cleaning solution. However, some users may find the cord length to be a bit short for larger pools, but this is a minor inconvenience compared to the benefits this cleaner provides. In conclusion, the Dolphin Escape Robotic Above Ground Pool Cleaner is a top-tier electric pool vacuum that delivers on both quality and value. If you want a cleaner that will leave your pool spotless without breaking the bank, this is the one for you. Dive into a world of effortless pool cleaning with the Dolphin Escape today.